The Stone Age is the earliest period of human culture. It officially began almost 3 million years ago when researchers found the earliest evidence of humans using stone tools. This period is called the Stone Age because tools were made of stone. It is divided into 3 distinct periods: the Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, and the Neolithic period. The Paleolithic means Old Stone Age. It is the earliest and longest of the Stone Age period. Humankind gradually evolved from early representatives of the genus Homo into anatomically modern humans. Homo habilis was the first true human species to evolve from apes. Homo erectus had long legs which they used to walk considerable distances. Homo erectus were probably the first to learn to control fire and cook food. Neanderthals were the most commonly found extinct human species. By about 40,000 years ago, Homo sapiens were the last human species surviving on Earth. No other species seemed to be able to compete with how advanced we're going to be. The Paleolithic people formed small communities, often referred to as tribes. Some Paleolithic people live in caves, others live under rock overhangs or out in the open. During the Paleolithic, people were nomadic, which means they move around from place to place in search of food. Their tools helped them to hunt animals for food. In general, they spent their time on direct subsistence activities, gathering edible plants along the way, fruits, berries, and nuts. They also dug up roots and collected eggs from birds' nests. At the very beginning, Paleolithic stone tools are very basic. People made them in a primitive way. One stone was struck with another until pieces broke off, making a sharp edge. About 500,000 years ago, people discovered fire. It is thought that they rubbed 2 sticks together, then they learned to strike stones together to produce spark. Fire used reduced mortality rates and provided protection against predators. People living in the caves decorated their walls with pictures of animals. Now it's time for the Mesolithic. Mesolithic means Middle Stone Age. The Mesolithic was the second period of the Stone Age. By this time, some humans would have given up the nomadic lifestyle and started to build permanent dwellings near bodies of water. During this period, fishing began to develop as a form of subsistence activity. Neolithic period is the final stage of cultural evolution and technological development among prehistoric humans. The Neolithic means New Stone Age. It began with some groups of humans gave up the nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle completely to begin farming. The Neolithic people were skilled farmers. The domestication of supply of animals along with the beginning of farming led to humans staying in one place for a longer period of time. Settlements became more permanent. People settled in villages were gradually developed into organized communities where food was stored and materials were traded.